New door handles. Super slick, very nice. Trifold sofa, each one can sleep up to 2. This is the bourbon interior, so it's the darker furniture. Champagne is your other option. It's kind of a nice gray, very home feely color. You got your central vac with the floor sweep. Motion sensor light. There's all your control panels. And here's what the hype's all about. So I'll go through and do another video kind of showing how they had gone through and redesigned that front booth to actually function very, very well. They did a great job on that. Convection microwave, 3-range burner, all auto ignite, including that stove. Sorry, that's the oven. I just can't talk this morning. Okay. Got a nice front window there with a roller shade. Third time's a charm. Check that out. If that's not cool, I don't know what is. And then you got the 2 side windows on each side, so you kind of feel like you're in a castle or in some kind of palace. Beautiful sink configuration. Huge fridge. Very well done. All right, we'll go to the bedroom now. Another fantastic fan control for in the living room. This bathroom is huge, okay? Nice seamless shower with the seat. You got your grab handle, places to put your soap. Nice stainless steel head sprayer. Huge skylight. Got a little linen closet up in the corner. Nice. Nice good sized bowl. Look at that, another fantastic Max Air fan. So that's 3 so far. Looks like that's all you get, but that's pretty impressive. All right, king size bed. You got outlets on each side. Got 3 windows. Huge back window. Let's check this out. Oops. Nice. Nice TV. Plenty of storage in there. Check this out. They actually, this is new to me. They put a nice strong magnet on the back side of this barn door. Let's watch this. Boom. Nice amount of storage here for your washer and dryer hookup. Nice solid grab handle. That doesn't even move. Man, it's good. There you have it. The brand new redesigned front kitchen, Montana. Good job, Montana. This is beautiful. I'll go through again and do a video of how this this front table works. It's pretty neat. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Love to hear some feedback.